생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Say I will live fine. Hey, hey, yeah. I can control. Hey, hey, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. always be a place for you. By my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, you see this through my light, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, see this through my light, 'cause you are the only one.
Walking down the street, thanking the Lord I still got my feet. There's so much pain and crying all around me, as I'm still walking down the road. All that I do is to sing my song, but I'm so glad that sadness hasn't found me. Waiting for nothing. This is really something. I'm telling you one thing. I'm waiting for nothing. Some crazy people are passing me by. They're always running, but I don't know why. Whatever they're chasing, they don't seem to catch it. The sun is setting behind a cloud. A strange light is filling the town. Thank God that I have still the eyes to see it. I'm waiting for nothing. This is really something. I'm telling you one thing. I'm waiting for nothing. Gotta get to the point where the only feel is joy, and we won't keep trying to break each other's hearts. Gotta get to a place where we all can find a space, and the time we need to fix our broken parts, our broken parts, our broken parts. Has run away from me. I guess it's sad, but it had to be. I hope she knows that